Look what we got in the mail! So we got our hands on a few products from this range and I'm going to create a Huda inspired beauty look. So let's get started. We've got two eyeshadow palettes. On my right I have the Electric Obsessions palette and on my left I have the Smokey Obsessions palette. Here's how well the color swatches. Isn't this gorgeous? We're going to play around with these two babies and create a crazy cool eye look. Now that we're done with this bomb eye makeup look, let's talk about the much awaited Huda highlighter. And it is the 3D highlighter that we're talking about. Okay, so firstly, it comes with this 4-step guide. The product itself is going to instruct you on what to use when. So we've got Fiji, which is a balmy textured product. Do you see how good this looks? It's used as a base color. Then we've got Seychelles, which you could apply over Fiji to set your cream base highlighter. Then you've got Tahiti, which you could use on under your cheekbones to add that extra dimension to your face. And then you could use Zanzibar as a blush to complete your look. So let's talk about our lips. Huda is known for their amazing lipsticks and trust me, I've been dying to get my hands on this one. We've also got the Huda Beauty lip contour, so I'm excited to try this one. I must say it's amazing. It's a super matte effect, and for the lip contour lip pencil, I must recommend it because you know, once you have a lip pencil on, your liquid lipstick's kind of going to be goof proof. So guys, overall I loved playing around with the Huda Beauty makeup products. A big thumbs up.